Okay, we are making cornbread. In Kenya, you can get cornmeal, maize meal. It's finer. They make a food a little bit like polenta called ugali out of it. That's kind of a corn porridge to put vegetables on. But they don't make cornbread, and we are about to turn that around.
Cornbread.
Okay, so we need, oh, that's right, these other ones. This is also 1 cup.
Yeah.
It says 1 cup. So we need 1 cup flour.
1 cup.
1 cup flour. And with flour, it's good to measure light. Like with flour, you don't want to shake it like this. It makes it too much in the cup. Make it light, and then use a knife or use the lid for that. There's 1 cup of flour. And then 1 cup of cornmeal. I think this says fine. This is probably still more coarse than what you make ugali out of, but it'll work. Any kind of maize meal will work in this. So this, I'm going to be a little careful. Go flat with my hand. That's good.
This one's now wheat
This
flour.
is, yep. That was the. This is the wheat flour.
Yeah.
The white flour is the wheat flour.
Okay.
No, yeah, I did them in the wrong order. This is the cornmeal. So I have the cornmeal, the wheat flour together, then the baking powder. I know you said you have baking powder, and that's 1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
1 tablespoon is this big spoon. 1 tablespoon. And then about 1/2 teaspoon salt. There we go.
Salt.
Yep. And 1 tablespoon sugar. And the canister is empty, so we'll take the sugar out of this bulk bag of organic sugar. Some people like cornbread sweeter, some people like no sugar.
Yeah.
Some people in the deep south of America like they think it's wrong to put any sugar in. They like no sugar.
Yeah.
Some people go, oh, I want it sweeter.
Yeah,
It's whatever tastes good to you. You know, if you want it a little sweeter, a little more sugar is okay. Less sweet, a little less sugar is okay.
Okay.
Changing the flour would change the recipe, but changing the sugar a
1
little will
cup.
not change it. Yep, 1 cup of
milk.
milk, just like the other recipe. And because this is clean, we just use this to measure a little milk and eggs. We can use this again. So there's the 1 cup mark. See it? There we go. 1 cup. And then, does it say 1 egg?
Then 1 egg.
Okay, and we're going to break that egg into the cup so we can mix them up together with a fork. And we're going to need a little bit of oil too. Okay, so 1 egg. Break the egg. Egg, but not the shell. Shell aside. And then we mix it with a fork. We want to break up that egg. Like this is called whip with a fork. You see the egg is breaking up. The yellow part is going into the milk. So you do that for just a minute. Beat it with the fork. Like that. And hold the handle, then it won't fall. Yep, that's very good. That's very good. Meanwhile, I'm going to, it just got a little wet. I'm going to get a dry one. That's okay. Alright, and we are mixing our dry ingredients here. See how we're mixing the maize meal, the flour, the baking powder. It all looks even. Okay, and we need one more thing in here. We need either 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or melted butter. This time we're using vegetable oil. Here's this one we're using oil. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of oil in with our egg and milk. Makes it a little richer, makes it brown a little better. And we could use melted butter, that would be fine too. Okay, now beat it a little more with the fork. And we have to get our pans ready. Where did I put the pans? Oh, I brought them in. Okay. Should probably stop it for a minute.